Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be somewhat of a no-brainer. Okay? Again, when we start all our videos off, we want to recommend safety. Kind of tell you guys, hey, stay safe. First rule, for me, not in any particular order, treat every firearm as if it is loaded. Number one. Number two, always point it in a safe direction. Excuse me. Number three, never put your finger on the trigger until you are getting ready to use it. Hopefully you're having fun hunting. So, start off the video. This is going to be short and brief. Now, this is about the Beretta A300, the Ultima, if you have one. So, we're going to talk about loading it and unloading it. You need to learn the names and the parts of your firearm through the manufacturer. So, this is what I know that closes the loading port. Okay? Boom. Loading port is closed. Okay? Hopefully we're able to see that on this particular camera. There's a carrier stop. I believe that's what they call it. And so what that does is it holds your loading port open. Okay, that holds it open. It's going to be really elementary, but we're learning, okay? One. Safety's on. Let's get you guys in close. It's just that simple. It's ready to go. Okay? If this video has helped you in any way, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I just feel the need for that because I looked and I looked and I looked and I did not see any videos on how to load it that made me feel comfortable with having an understanding as to what to do. Of course, you need to get your manufacturer's manual and learn it for yourself, parts, names, etc., etc. Alright guys, I'm out of here. See you in the next video. Take care.